Bellydance Bites. This is a really fun move to practice as well as drill into other combinations. It's simply a two-part hip drop with a shimmy on top. Go ahead and do your regular hip drop with 2 beats as you normally would, and then add a very loose shimmy on top. So to make it very loose but still maintain control, you want to make sure that there's hardly any weight on this standing leg so that you get more of a wobble than a crisp, sharp shimmy so that you can still layer those hip drops on top. Lift, wobble, down, down. Lift, 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 down, down. Other side. Lift, down, down. Lift, down, down. If it's not already in your practice, make sure that you're bending this back leg, and adding a little bit of a level change does help when you're layering it. Just bend that back leg more as you're going down. Add the wobble. Down, down. Lift, down, down. Lift, down, down. Lift, down, down. All right, let's put that into a combination with some undulations in between so that we can switch sides. 1, 2, take the weight off the front leg. Down, down. 1, 2, switch to the other side. Down, down. 1 and 2, lift, drop, drop. 1 and 2, lift, drop, drop. And 2, lift, drop, drop. 1 and 2, lift, drop, drop. 1 and 2, lift, drop, drop. And 2, lift, drop, drop. Let's try it walking forward. Since you already have a natural weight change happening, it's easy to start taking steps more forward, okay? Remember to shift the weight completely with each step to make it easier. 6, 7, starting with the undulation. Lift, 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 drop, drop, step, undulate, undulate, lift, drop, drop, step, lift, lift, hips, drop, drop, step forward. Okay, again, from the back. 5, 6, 7, 8, undulate, undulate, drop, drop, step, undulate, drop, drop, step, undulate, drop, drop, step, undulate, undulate, lift, drop, drop. Can we take it backwards? Step back, down, down, drop, drop, step right behind yourself, undulate, undulate, lift, drop, drop, step behind yourself, lift, drop, drop. Take it forward, then go back. 1, 2, lift, drop, drop. Very good. Take it back. 2, lift, drop, drop. 1, 2, lift, drop, drop. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to see. I'm happy to help, and thanks for joining.